Fusion 360's personal use license, which is the free hobbyist license, has to be renewed every single year. In this video, I'll walk you through the confusing renewal process. "10 days before your license expires, a countdown will appear at the top of your toolbar. You cannot renew the free personal use license until it has officially expired. That means you can't do anything until you see the countdown change to expired subscription read-only. During those 10 days, you may receive a pop-up dialog that prompts you to purchase the commercial version. Now, this confuses a lot of people, and many think that you cannot renew your free license, and I'll agree that they don't make this very clear. However, you can simply close out of the dialog and ignore this orange button in the toolbar. Instead, you will need to visit the Fusion 360 for Personal Use homepage, which is likely where you originally signed up. From here, you will have to select the Sign In option at the top of the web page. Be sure to sign in to your Autodesk account with the same credentials you originally used. Do not create a new Autodesk account. Once signed in, you'll want to switch back to Fusion 360 and we'll make sure to sign out of the program. Simply select your profile photo, followed by the Sign Out option. This is critical in ensuring that your license type actually gets updated. Note that the free personal use license only comes in 1-year terms. That means you'll have to follow this process every year when your license expires. But Autodesk does not limit the amount of times that you can renew the license as long as you still qualify per the terms and conditions. We can now head back to the web page where we'll initiate a new personal use license for 1 additional year. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the heading Download and Install Fusion 360. Underneath that, you'll need to select the Get Started link, which will activate another year for the personal use license. This will also immediately start a new download of Fusion 360. Since you likely already have it installed, you can go ahead and cancel the download and delete it. Of course, if you're installing it on a new computer, then you can follow the standard installation process for your operating system. Autodesk then recommends waiting at least 30 minutes before signing back into Fusion 360, which will ensure that your new subscription is updated. 30 minutes later, you can go ahead and sign in to your Fusion 360. You should no longer see the orange button, and the top of the toolbar should say Personal Use. You can also go to the Help icon, followed by the About option. The Fusion 360 dialog should then show that you have the Personal Use license. You're then all set and ready to continue using Fusion 360. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this tutorial. You can help me out by sharing this video with your friends and colleagues who use Fusion 360. Then be sure to check out my playlist in the lower right-hand corner to watch more Fusion 360 sketching tutorials.